The furniture came really good. It's already dry. This area. Sonia is cleaning the carpet. We already did this area. It's dark. This area too. The master. Everything upstairs. The stairs. This bedroom too. So we need to do this area and the living room, the entry, and that's it. We are almost done. Sí. ¿Qué hora es, ah? Enséñame ese pad. Voltealo. Vamos. We are post vacuuming. I'm recording now, right now, so maybe you can see what you.
I'm looking at this and I am just amazed. I have had this carpet over the last 17 years cleaned several times. Nothing like what you've done. I've watched your process, your attention to detail, the knowledge that you have of how to clean something and what to use. You talked to me ahead of time and you explained the difference between doing it one way or using another process. And that was after you came.
Exactly.
Using your own time and going through the house and looking at what needed to be done. And that's what I really liked.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You've gotten blood stains that were 4 years old from my dog out. No one could get that out. I am just so amazed, so pleased,
Thank
so
you.
happy.
And I'm sorry that it took forever, but.
Oh, it took forever. You ladies have worked for 11 hours today at this house on the carpet and the upholstery. Now, I know that it's a over 3,200 square foot house. It's big. But it doesn't matter because you take so much pride in the work that you do. It's so easy to see, and you're so pleasant.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it.
Yes, you do.
I really appreciate it. Did you already send the payment?
Oh, yes, I can do the
Okay.
yes. I just don't want to.
No, I step on it.
I don't.
It's dry.
I know. You've got the whole process of the drying, of taking the water out or the cleaning solution out. This is just beautiful. I just looked and went,
Did you check upstairs?
okay.
Okay, it's 71 right now, so.
Oh, okay. All right.
The carpets upstairs are dry already.
You need to get home.
Yes.
Get some rest and put your feet up. Someone should wait on you for the work that you've done. I know work, and it may not seem as though I do because I've been sitting. I did some yard work, but I've been sitting and stuff.
No.
But I've worked in a hayfield, and I've worked in a hayfield from 10 in the morning until 11 o'clock at night. Mowing, raking, tedding, baling, and then picking it up off the field, those big round bales.
Wow.
Loading them up into the hay mow. That's nothing compared to what
No, I cannot do your job.
No,
I prefer cleaning.
You're amazing. You are just amazing.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I'm going to, and I had this all straightened out because I had a fella come for the pool service. I changed to that company. And I was able to.
Rosie. Hi, much.
They have no teeth. All right, let me go there.
Thank you for the iced tea.
Oh,
I
you're
really
gonna love
appreciate it.
that.
I really appreciate it.
It's-
Because it's diet, I love it.
No, but it's not artificial sweeteners.
Oh.
You got to be careful. Diet soda? No. Those artificial sweeteners can really make you sick.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, they did. Okay, good. The fellow you recommended for the pest control, he's coming tomorrow morning.
Excellent.
He found stuff, and I found stuff, and I thank you.
Yeah.
I thank you. for
Jorge
that.
is amazing.
Yeah,
He's really good.
there's
The pest control, tomorrow.
to do some things in here, but he didn't want to do it until you had cleaned, because it would just wash away, and then he'll do the whole outside, and then he's coming back every month. I've hired someone. I used to always do that myself. I would come down every 2 months and do the lawn stuff and do this stuff.
Good.
No more.
Excellent.
Okay. I'm ready.
Okay.
What do I owe you?
1,000.
But,
Is 600
yep,
and 400.
yep. Okay. Oh, so you said 1,000. Okay. All right. So I'm going to make it 1,300.
Excellent. I really appreciate it.
Your work ethic should be on the news so that people who can't get off their rear end can't find anything to do or just don't want to can see what it really means to have people work hard.
And I like when people see us working, you
Oh.
know, because they notice the procedure, the time, because it's easy say, I'm gonna come back, and they don't know what we do.
Right.
They really don't know.
That's why some of the things that I have written out are I didn't realize that there was a 5-step process to cleaning that piece of furniture.
I have to, yeah.
And then you're scrubbing and scrubbing.
Yeah, I have to vacuum, remove all the dry soil,
Oh, yeah.
put the pro, the agitate the pro into the fabric, extract and everything.
0, whoop. Come back. 0, 0. Limit. You can send a separate payment. Okay. So it won't let me send 1,300. I'm going to send 1,000, and then I'm going to send 300.
Okay, perfect.
And if I had the cash, I'd pay you in cash.
Okay, we are gonna start
Here's
putting
this.
the things in the car.
Yes.
Okay, in the meantime,
Yes.
you do this. Thank you, I really appreciate it.